Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of striving to be a better you, a successful you, whatever that looks like to you, is accepting that you have room to improve, accepting that your life has areas that can be improved. Once you realize that, there are areas to be improved, that is the quickest way you can achieve your full potential. The more you realize and think, hang on a minute, I can totally work on, being a nicer person. I can totally work on my aggressive side. I can totally work on being stubborn, so that my relationship can be better. I can totally work on not being short-tempered. I can totally work on my business. I can totally work on attaining several streams of income so I can be wealthy. I can work on my fitness. I can work on my mind. Whatever it may be, whatever situation that you're recognizing as a place where it requires work, that's the fastest way you can achieve that thing that you're working toward. The best version of yourself starts when you realize that there's room for improvement, there's hard work to be done. The more you shut yourself off and you think, I'm perfect, I know everything I need to know, let's say for example you're in school, you're like, I'm very good at maths, I'm not going to study, so be it. You go into an exam and you fail, and that's because you've shut yourself off, because you've become overconfident, you've become so cocky that you think you're at the top. You think if you do that, you never really know what else you can unlock, what other levels of your life you can unlock, how far you can go. Let's say you're working on your fitness, how great your body can be, or how you can be healthy just generally. If you just think, oh, I'm fine now, I'm this size and I'm gonna stop here, you have to constantly see that there's always room for improvement. You see this even in wealthy people, where they'll have multiple businesses but they're always seeking other ways of making more money. It's because they're open-minded. They know that there's so much more to the world than they know. You don't know everything. Not everyone's a master of anything. That you learn something new every day. The minute you tell yourself and you acknowledge that you have room for improvement, you give yourself the opportunity to learn and break that glass ceiling. You give yourself the opportunity to see what other avenues you can explore in life, what else you could learn. By accepting that you have room to improve, it means that you don't have a big ego. It means that you're more open-minded, you're more willing to accept other things. So it's important to realize that you may be great at something, but it doesn't mean you can't be better. It doesn't mean that you can't learn from someone else who's been doing your job for 50 years. It doesn't mean that the new intern won't show you something else that you've never thought of. So be open-minded and always realize that in life there's room for improvement. When you're trying to strive to be the best version of yourself, there's always room for improvement. There's always books that will teach you new things, interacting with people, networking with people, meeting up with people in the same industry, people with the same mindset, people with the same goals. They will show you different things that you never thought of. We can learn from each other. So don't get too cocky and too big-headed and by thinking, I know it all, I don't need anyone else to get me here, I've got myself here so far, I don't need anyone else. There's always room for improvement. If you want to be the best version of yourself, if you want to strive for better, the fact that you're accepting that there's room for improvement means that you're striving for better. You may have been a photographer for years, you know how to take the pictures, you know all about lighting, you know all about angles, but it doesn't mean that another photographer won't teach you something new or you won't learn anything else from them. So it's all about being minded and really shutting down the ego to be able to be the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you're currently trying to improve in your life, and leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.